rain and fast.
That's what I said.
True. Enough rain to fill this.
That's gonna be a lot of rain.
Hey, you stay back there. You're the camera person.
Shut up or I drop this thing in the water.
You better not.
But I'll find some water.
Hot water.
True.
Climb, monkey boy, climb.
He's squirrel boy.
He's what?
He's squirrel boy.
Alright.
Oh no, I'm squirrel boy.
I thought that was copyrighted.
What?
Squirrel boy.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, it's a show. It was a show.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm taking these things off, man.
Yeah, it'd be a good idea. Let's
They
want to lose
restrict my
them.
movement.
Because you're not very good with keeping up with things.
Oy vey.
Oy vey, go. You can do it.
You can do it. Oh, no.
Not long.
No, Miguel.
This is.
Somebody else coming?
Wait, I gotta put this crap up.
I don't think a very good idea for me to go.
Why not?
Well, you only have one hand.
Exactly.
Exactamundo.
Unless Miguel doesn't want to ever see his camera again.
Yeah.
Fully intact.
You stay down here.
Yeesh. Wait.
Why do Dumbos have to have all the fun?
I don't know.
Go. Go.
Crap. Slippery. Okay, wait a sec.
I wonder why.
An avalanche.
Yeah, man. You made an avalanche. I swear these roots are not going to keep me up.
Go. Go.
Got me up.
Well, you got boots. You got more thing to drag and put into the wall.
Dang it.
Come on, Mig. I thought you were a super ninja.
I am, but this thing won't cooperate. Let me get a running start.
That'll be good.
Okay. How do I get up there? That's not good.
Rock slide.
Haha.
I'll kill you.
It's mudslide, really.
Well, this is dry dirt.
It's kind of semi-wet.
Probably not the smartest idea right there. There we go.
Nope.
Should I run down it?
No. No, do it for the YouTube people. If you hurt yourself, come on. It's gonna...
Jump!
Woo! We made it!
I didn't die.
Your turn!
I barely got up here.
He's gonna die.
Yeah.
Alright, it's okay. Do it for the YouTube people.
Huh?
Do it for the YouTube people.
How you doing?
Hey!
Pumpkin?
Trying to kill me. Come on. Come on.
What?
Run down it.
I'm up here with these stupid shoes on.
Get on, Bradman. Monkey boy.
I wait. Or slide. That works too.
Hey, I was forced to.
True.
Forced to what?
Slide. You
Oh,
think
but
these
I say-
things have any
We
grip?
should have went to the other forest.
Which one? Oh, the one over there
Over by
by...
the golf course.
Yeah. This one's good too, though.
It is.
I guess.
It's tiny, but...
Except for that fence. Let's block the other side. Let's go.
Clear spot.
Oh my god, that's a spider. No, it's not.
Not a good thing to do all this crap in this.
Or shorts.
Or shorts.
Either way. Told you not.
I missed the creek.
I know, huh? There's no,
It's alright.
There's no fun when there's no water.
We'll have to go somewhere else.
Hey, look, a fence. Let's go.
How about we
Private property. How about we don't get shot? I mean, we got chased with a gun last time.